87% of our users have said that they are looking for a natural product that helps balance and clear the skin, whether it's from redness or inflammation or breakouts. So we set out to develop a product that would specifically nourish sensitive skin, and that is where the Blue Tansy product was born. The star ingredient is the Blue Tansy, and we picked it because it is especially good at helping reduce redness as well as just balance the skin. And a happy skin means a glowing complexion. We also included killer ingredients like milk thistle, excellent for anti-inflammation, chamomile seed, excellent for anti-aging, and it keeps the oil nice and light. We included tea tree oil to help fight microbes, get rid of all the things that are causing those breakouts. We also wanted this product to feel luxurious on every level, from the way it sits on your counter in this beautiful frosted glass bottle, to the way that it smells fresh and clean, to the way that it feels soft and nutrient rich. We wanted to be able to add a product to your routine that is effective and enjoyable to use.
It comes in this sleek, travel-friendly box. Open it up and you'll find your beauty sponge, made from latex-free foam to reduce allergies, and this super helpful instruction and cleaning guide. It's easy to clean with mild soap and water, durable, and built to last a long time. It's non-porous, so it absorbs less liquid makeup, and it's always vegan and cruelty-free. You can use the sponge when it's dry, or you can use it when it's wet. This is the exact same sponge, except it doubles in size when it's wet, and it returns to normal size when it's dry. The edgeless design is perfect for amazing coverage and for a flawless application. The best thing about this sponge is it can be used with liquid and powder makeup, primers, cream blushes, foundations, and concealers. It's one of my favorite products, and I know you'll love it too.
The Honest Beauty Cream Foundation is infused with vitamin E and jojoba oils. It has a weightless and velvety texture, and it really just feels to me like a second skin.